All right, y'all, here's the next dilemma. Besides that hole right there, the next big dilemma, exhaust manifolds are going to nothing right now. You can see where, step around, oh, you can see where they're supposed to go to. Exhaust manifold to the rest of the exhaust system, but right now, hooked up to nothing and missing a little gap right there. I've got adapters and I got some flanges and I got some leftover pipe, but we're gonna try and make it fit. If you wanna see a janky exhaust setup, here's what it's gonna look like. Length is pretty good. Fits into where the hole, the little gap right here. If this was the skinny end, it would fit right in there, which is the two ones I'm gonna make will be the skinny end. It would fit in. I'm just gonna weld that into the manifold itself. I fully intend on making headers and a nice exhaust system for this engine later, but for right now, I'm just gonna make this work so I can go get it, registered and stuff, get all that process out of the way. All right, here's the progress. Made some rough guesses, just put it in place and then drew some lines where I think it's gonna work. Do is tack it in there and there. A little bit of gap, a little bit of gap. Nothing, a little bit of flux won't fix. Other side fits in. Yep, bring the welder down, tack these in. Just got done welding up the two, oh god, the two freaking attachments connect the rest of the exhaust system. Right now, there's massive leak and I haven't tried starting it. Let me just show you guys. So here's the welds. The ugliest things on the planet. I use flux. Still the ugliest things on the planet, but they're on there. They're not going anywhere, which is a plus. I'm gonna get some 2000 degree high heat putty. Put around, everything and just like smother it, it will be what it will be. Like I said, once these manifolds leave and I find some headers that can come on the outside of this frame so it doesn't get in the way with all this 4-link stuff, then I will do that. But for now, it's gonna be what it is, and yeah. While I was on my spree of welding, I might as well show you guys what I did yesterday off camera. Don't mind the trash interior right now. Yeah, it'll all get there. Steering wheel's gonna be replaced soon with the wooden one. But twin stick shifter, got a little update. This is still the same. I put boots on and everything. That one's square, that one's circular. That kind of pisses me off. But it's the only thing I can find. I can't find fucking twin stick shifters anywhere. Yeah, I had an extra forge wrench, the cheapest brand I had. I have Snap-on ones, but I didn't use them. Don't worry. And yeah, I just lopped it in half. 4-wheel or 2-wheel and a 4-wheel. I got with the open end, and then high and low I got with the box end. Obviously can't shift into it right now, but yeah, kind of like it. Kind of gives it more of that steel vibe in here that I'm going for, the steel and wood and everything. Yeah, it's a mess. I know. About to pull this old steering wheel off, put the new wood one I just got on. I bought a steering wheel pulling kit. Figured I'd use it once in a while. Worth buying. It's not that expensive. And yeah, gonna do a bunch of small stuff. The majority of this video is just a bunch of small stuff. Steering wheel I got doesn't mounts up quite what I thought. You know, eBay special, $63 for this real wood steering wheel. But here's what I got so far. Old steering wheel. I've got it cut to pieces over here, and I took mounting hardware out of it. Took the grinder wheel to it. Look at that, perfectly machined. Mounts right up. You know, it's just the press fit. You put the lug over the end. But yeah, I'm gonna attach steering wheel here with, or this eBay steering wheel to this old mounting hardware with 6 bolts. Here's it all mounted up. You know, looks fine. I didn't get to use this, you know, cheap $5 adapter I got, but I'm gonna slap it on top like this, put the nut through the middle, and have it look something like that. Doesn't look too bad. Here's the new steering wheel. I could probably replace that with a stainless steel nut. It doesn't really match the aluminum at all, but you know, it's what it is. It's a little brighter than I thought, but still looks better than was in there before. It kind of matches those lighter tones, if anything, but I dig it. I dig it.